नमस्कार दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल इंग्लिश मेड इजी में। नाउ इन दिस वीडियो हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन टैग के पार्ट 2 के बारे में, जिसमें हम लोग बात करेंगे अबाउट सम एडवांस्ड पॉइंट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन टैग्स। सो विल स्टार्ट विथ इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस। व्हाट इफ अगर आप यूज करते हैं इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस एज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, इन दैट केस क्वेश्चन टैग कैसे बनाना है। तो सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं वर्ड्स लाइक everything, something, nothing and anything। अगर आप इन वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं, these are indefinite pronouns, and if we use these words as the subject of a sentence, in that case जो pronoun हम लोग यूज करेंगे while framing question tag, that is it। So everything is possible, the question tag is isn't it। ध्यान रखिएगा, जब भी आप वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं that comes with the suffix thing, everything, something, nothing and anything, in that case जब आप question tag फॉर्म करते हैं we have to use it। और अगर आपका सेंटेंस अफर्मेटिव है, अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस के लिए तो क्वेश्चन टैग इज नेगेटिव। सो एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, इजंट इट। सब कुछ संभव है ना, सब कुछ संभव है ना। आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग फॉर कंफर्मिंग। सो एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, इजंट इट। अगेन समथिंग इज रॉन्ग, इजंट इट। समथिंग इज रॉन्ग, इजंट इट। कुछ गड़बड़ है ना, समथिंग इज रॉन्ग, इजंट इट। सो अगर आप यूज करते हैं वर्ड्स लाइक समथिंग, एवरीथिंग, नथिंग, एनीथिंग, वाइल फ्रेमिंग क्वेश्चन टैग आपको यूज करना है इट। अगर आपका सेंटेंस अफर्मेटिव है क्वेश्चन टैग बन जाएगा नेगेटिव, और अगर आपका सेंटेंस नेगेटिव है लाइक नथिंग, नथिंग इज अ वर्ड itself is negative। So while using nothing as subject of the sentence, आपका question tag बनेगा affirmative because sentence already negative है। So nothing is impossible, is it। आप लोग बनाएंगे is it। Don't forget to put question mark and comma before the question tag। Anything is possible, isn't it। Anything is possible, isn't it। Now we have other words, they are also indefinite pronouns। We have everybody, somebody, nobody, anybody। These words are used for people, for person, and these words everything, something, nothing, anything, we use them for non-living things। Remember, the word that ends at thing, we use them for non-living things, and the word that ends at body we use for people। So यहाँ पर हम लोग जो यूज करेंगे pronoun that would be they। ध्यान रखिएगा, everybody, though everybody is a singular word, जब भी आप यूज करते हैं everybody, the verb that goes with this word is always singular, but everybody refers to more than one person। So that is why we use they while framing question tag। तो everybody जो word है ना, it refers to more than one person, इसीलिए आपको they use करना है, he use नहीं करना है। Though it is considered singular, and while using it we have to use singular verb। So everybody is happy, aren't they। and just because आप यूज कर रहे हैं they, जो वर्ब आप यूज करेंगे इसके साथ वो is नहीं होगी, वो होगी are, aren't they। and the sentence is affirmative, and the question tag for affirmative sentence is negative। Somebody is at the door, aren't they। Somebody is at the door, aren't they। Nobody is present, nobody is present, are they। Now आपका question tag affirmative होगा because we are using nobody, that is a negative word, that is a negative word। So whenever you use nothing or nobody, the sentence is negative, and if the sentence is negative, the question tag for that sentence must be positive। So are they। Anybody can attend the seminar, we are using can as helping verb, so we will use can while framing question tag। As I told you that while framing question tags we have to use helping verbs। So anybody can attend, can't they, it should be can't they। So this is how we can frame question tags when we use indefinite pronouns as subjects of the sentences। Now we'll move on to the next point, and that is if you are using question tags in sentences that contain adverbs, specifically negative adverbs. We have adverbs like hardly, never, little, few, hardly ever. These are all negative adverbs and we use them in a sentence to describe our verb. So if you are using such words in your sentence, अगर आप अपने sentence में ये words use कर रहे हैं like hardly, never, little, few, hardly ever, it means the sentence automatically becomes negative. And if the sentence is negative, the question tag for these sentences must be positive. Now जो आपको बात ध्यान रखनी है, just because we are not using not in these sentences except this one, hardly, little, just because we are not using not doesn't mean कि ये negative नहीं है. These sentences are negative. क्यों है? Because we are using negative adverbs. So she hardly speaks French. She hardly speaks French. What should be the question tag? टेंस कौन सा है? सबसे पहले टेंस पहचान लीजिए आप. द सेंटेंस इज इन प्रेजेंट सिंपल, सो वी हैव टू यूज डू और डज. नाउ यहाँ पे आपका सब्जेक्ट है थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, हम लोग यूज करेंगे डज. सो डज सी, द क्वेश्चन टैग इज डज सी. सी हार्डली स्पीक्स फ्रेंच. डज सी. So this is how we have to use we have to frame question tag if we are using negative adverbs like hardly, never. They never won the match, did they? They never won the match, did they? Don't forget to put a question mark. She has little information about it. Has she? क्या होगा? Has she? The next one is few students passed the exam. Few students का मतलब है बहुत कम students. So whenever we use few or little, the sentence almost gives negative meaning. It means close to nothing. The number that is very less. So few students means almost no students. So few students के साथ में the sentence is in past simple. We are using second form of main verb. It should be did they. He hardly ever attends classes. Hardly ever is adverb of frequency. Frequency का मतलब होता है repetition of any action. We talk about how many times an action is repeated while using adverb of frequency. So hardly ever has been used to describe attends. Sentence आपका present simple है. It should be does he. So this is how we frame question tags if we use negative adverbs like hardly, never, little, few, hardly ever. Now there are a few sentences. She's a girl. तो अगर इसका क्वेश्चन टैग आपको फ्रेम करना है, she's a girl, isn't she? सिंपल है, isn't she? I am not a footballer. We are using am. The sentence is negative. So question tag जो बनेगा वो बनेगा positive, am I. Now this one is something that we have to pay attention to. I am a teacher. While framing question tag for this one, this sentence, we don't use amn't I. Amn't I गलत है. The correct one is aren't I. I bet you all know the answer, but you don't know the reason behind it. तो क्यों हम लोग amn't I use नहीं कर सकते? Why do we need to use aren't I? So let me tell you the reason. Let's have a few words. तो यहां पे कुछ वर्ड्स आप देखिए. HYMN, again MN, at the last we have MN, 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 MN and MN. Haim, solemn, column, condemn, autumn. तो आपने ध्यान दिया that if I pronounce these words, I don't pronounce that न. I don't say haim, I say haim. I don't say solemn, I say solemn. I don't say autumn, I say autumn. तो यहाँ पे what we get to know is if you use n just after m, then it goes silent. वो silent रहेगा. We don't have to pronounce n if it comes after m. तो अगर हम लोग यहां पे लिखते amn't I, so we are supposed to apply the same rule even in this situation. So we would say amn't I, and that is not grammatically correct. Actually, we cannot pronounce n after m, so that is why we don't use amn't I, because if we'll say amn't I, we will have to silent this letter and becomes amn't I, and while talking amn't I, it won't give the sense of negativity, the sense of negation. So to avoid this confusion, what we did, we used aren't I. And why are we not using isn't I? Because I के साथ में with I, the best way is to use are, because sometimes we know that we consider I plural. I sometimes considered plural, though it is singular pronoun, but sometimes we treat it as a plural subject, or maybe plural pronoun in some sentences, some tenses. So that is why we use aren't I. So यहाँ पे we talked about all the possible points, aspects of question text. This was the second part and the last part. If I get something new about question text, definitely I'll share with you all. और फिलहाल के लिए I would like to tell you that please do watch these videos, and I want you to subscribe my channel, to like my channel, to share with your friends, and I'm sure people will get benefits from these videos. I'll keep making such videos. So thank you so much for now. Keep watching.